Robin Sharma, one of the top leadership experts, said, "Discipline is built by consistently performing the small acts of courage." Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and I am on a mission to help people to change their mindset and build their self-esteem. The discipline that you follow every day affects your confidence within. Let's talk about failures. You might be confused why I am talking about failures because I am here to talk about confidence. But let me start with failures. What does failure mean? Albert Einstein said, "Failure is success in progress." And the simple definition of failure is a few errors in judgment made every day. Let me take a very simple example for this. Like brushing your teeth. Isn't it an everyday task? What if you skip it? There has been a research which shows if you don't do brush, it affects your heart, it affects your brain, and in some cases it also leads to Alzheimer's. Strange, isn't it? But it's true. So let's say you skip brushing one day. You just thought, what will happen if I don't do it today? And you skip your brushing for one day. What if you skip it tomorrow again? Every day you take a small decision that is based on a judgment that what if I don't do it one day, what will happen? But slowly and gradually, what happens? That small error in your judgment leads to a big problem in long run. That is called failure. What is success? Success is simply few simple disciplines practiced every day. You must have seen people in Navy, in Army, Air Force. The job that they are into is a hardcore job, and they need to work even in very stressful situations. To work in such situations, the one thing that is necessary is confidence. Without confidence, no one would be able to work in those situations, those circumstances. And what do you think? Do they have that confidence, that discipline from the day they are born? No, it is not like that. They start from basic, the very simple thing like making your bed. It might seem to you a very small thing, something that you think doesn't even matter. But now think about it like this. For just following the simple discipline every day will stack up to a huge success. In my earlier video, I shared power posing to you. Now let's talk about power posing, discipline and confidence. What if every day, immediately when you wake up, you make your bed and then go in front of the mirror and practice power posing for 2 minutes every day? Make it a discipline in your life every day. If you keep on following this, let's say for 6 months, what do you think? What would be the result? You keep on practicing it for 1 year. Do you think there would be a huge difference in your confidence that you have today and would be having 6 months later or 1 year later? And what if you keep on following this discipline for next 3 years, 4 years, 5 years? Where would your confidence level reach? How would you start feeling? How would your confidence muscles be conditioned every day for years and years? And that's how your life would be conditioned. And you would definitely be a person with confidence, high confidence. So friends, simply few simple disciplines that are practiced every day will contribute to your success with amazing confidence within you. So make one discipline for yourself, and you can really start with this. As soon as you wake up, for 2 minutes in front of the mirror, practice power posing. And if you don't know what is power posing, you can watch my earlier video about physiology and self-confidence. That's it for today. I will come again tomorrow with another building block of inner self-confidence. Till then, stay safe and most importantly, love yourself. Bye bye.